All right, this is a video instruction of how to complete the 9.PCH.1.4 assignment. Using Google Slides or Microsoft PowerPoint, create a presentation explaining how to reduce the risk of getting a chronic disease or other health-related illness. You may choose any disease or condition from the CDC resource provided in the 9.PCH.1.4 content page. Your PowerPoint must be at least 10 slides. Each slide is worth 10 points apiece. That even includes the title slide. Remember, your presentation is about how to prevent developing the illness or to reduce the chances of getting it. And of course, please submit this assignment through Canvas once you have completed it. To complete it, you just click on this tab, load 9.PCH assignment in a new window. And as you can see, it's coming up. It is a blank copy of a PowerPoint in Google Slides. You are just to add, of course, edit and add 10 of them and then hit submit. There should be a blue submit button in your top right corner when you have finished. But of course, just to hit slide to add new slide until you get to 10 slides. In the meantime, going back to where you get your information, open up another tab in your Canvas. So as you can see right here, I have two tabs. I have one for the assignment, and then I have one open for the content. And click on the CDC Disease and Condition Resource Library. Once you click on this, it will bring you to this web page, and as you can see, it has chronic diseases listed from A to Z. You are allowed to pick any disease that you would like to make your PowerPoint in Google Slides. When you do, for example, if you pick corona disease or COVID-19, here's the symptoms. So if you can recognize it, how to self-check, what to do if you hit symptoms. You can put prevent getting sick, because of course we are all talking about the goal of this is to prevent getting sick and talk about prevention strategies. You can talk about how to protect yourself, what happens if you do get sick, how to treat it once you do get sick, for a total of 10 slides. Once you do that, of course, you add your slides right here, your title and everything else. Make sure you have a total of 10, and you hit submit through Canvas. If you have any other questions after watching this video, please feel free to reach out to me if you are my student, or if you, Mr. Harrell, if you are his student.